Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss the features of live tracking screen. Experience tracking like never before. Traxi Live Tracking Screen split into smaller screen so that you can track multiple vehicles simultaneously, get glitches free and precise locations of your fleet and assets. Move your business forward with actionable data. So let's check the features of live tracking screen. So this option is available onto the tracking screen where in the object panel you will find the list of the total objects that are available into this user. So based on the total vehicle, you will get the information like running total vehicle, idle total count, stop count, as well as inactive and no data information. Now apart from that, if you only want to view the total running object, that can be possible as well by selecting running option. So when you click on running, you will only be able to find the running information. Likewise for the idle and the stop information. Now based on selection of the total information, the list of the total object will appear. Now apart from all the object list, if you want to search your object, then you can simply use the search option. While by entering the object number, you will be able to find your object from the list. Now likewise you can use the reload option to reset the object list. Now apart from this, if you want to view multiple objects onto the tracking screen, that is only a few objects onto tracking screen, that is possible as well. That is based on the selections of few objects, you can be only able to view those objects onto the tracking screen. By saving the selection, you will be able to, whenever you log in from the system, you will only be able to view those objects into the screen. So likewise you can select and save the selection. Now apart from that, we have the option to filter the object based on the company, group and the reminder. Likewise, if there are multiple company into the account, then based on the selections of the company, you will be able to view the object list accordingly. Likewise for the object list. Now, according to this, we have the information that show the total number of the object into the company as well as in the branch information. Like if you have multiple company as well as the branch available, then into that the count informations will be appeared accordingly. Now apart from that, if you want to add the columns for the object list, that is possible as well. That is using the setting option, you will be able to add the columns into the list. So based on the selections of the column, you can add those column into the list. Likewise, you can move the column according to your view that you want to view for. By saving this record, you will be able to view those columns for the object information onto the object list panel. Now apart from that, if you want to do some modifications of this object, then it is possible by using the edit option which is highlighted. Likewise, you can add the object from the tracking screen as well by using add object option. Now apart from this, we have other features as well. So let's check that feature, that is job feature into the live tracking screen. So based on the job tab, you will get a informations of upcoming running informations of the job. Likewise, the visited upcoming miss information will be reflected with the total job. Now let's check the another feature, that is address information. So based on the address tab, you will be able to view the list of the address that are added. You can search the address as well as reset the address. Likewise, you can add the address and also upload the multiple address in the software. Accordingly, if you want to filter the addresses, according to that, you can view your list of the objects based on filter. Now, apart from that, we have the option for geofence. The another feature that is in the geofence, you can find the total number of geofence that is added in a company, and likewise, you can delete, modify, and add the geofence into the system. Now, apart from this feature, we have other features onto the live tracking screen as well. That is now, based on the selections of the object, the tooltip will appear which will give you the informations of the object according to its widget. So let's check the widget that is available in setting of the tooltip. When you click the option, you will get the total widgets that are available. Apart from that, you can select the widget as per your requirement. The widgets are available in form like vehicle information, location, today's activity, fuel information, speed information, driving behavior, object informations, alerts, temperature, job, network parameters can be viewed. Nearby to that object, which address is available, that can be viewed. GPS device parameters of the object can be parameter and categorized. Also, fuel price information document can be viewed. Expense can be added, as well as the expense information can be viewed. Security of the immobilization and door parameters can be selected. Street view can be check marked, and based on that, camera and a humidity level information can be viewed as well. Now, apart from that, based on your requirement, you want to view the priority information on the top. So, like that, you can move your widget as well. So, according to that widget, you will be able to view that information on a priority basis. So likewise, you can move your widget, and by applying the filter, those list of the widget will be appear on the tooltip. Now from the tooltip, if you want to move the widget, then also it is possible based on your priority requirement. Now let's check the other parameters of the tracking screen. That is, you have the option for selecting the map. That is, if there are multiple maps available into the user's account, then they can select one apart from that. Likewise, we have the show cluster option, which is helpful in case there are multiple objects in the area and you want to get the information based on cluster wise. That is, if you have selected the cluster, then the number of the objects that are available into that area will be reflected. Let's check by removing the cluster for a clear vision. So here you can find the difference of the clusters and hide cluster. So you can use the cluster. Now according to that, we have the option for show traffic information. So when you click the show traffic option, so based on that, onto the map, you will find the traffic informations as well. That is highlighted onto the road. So likewise, you can use the traffic information onto the platform. Now apart from that, if you want to view the current date path, that is playback path, that is possible with using the object with path option. That is based on the selections of the object. When you click on the object with path option, then system will show the path of current date with its idling as well as top information with the number of alerts that will be generated. So likewise, if you want to view the path for other objects, that can be viewed as well, like that. Now apart from that, we have the option for show label as well as hide label. That is, when you click on the show label, system will show you the information of the object, that is object number, in the form of label. So likewise, you can use the features of show and hide label option. Now apart from that, we have the option for share live locations with the multiple objects. That features can be used in case if you want to share the locations live locations of the multiple objects at the same time. Now apart from that, we have the option to measure the distance and area. These features help in case if you want to measure any area onto the map, then that is possible. That can be into the selections of the area points. So likewise, the measurement distance and area features can be useful in the case. Now, based on that, if you want to view the playback of the object, that is possible as well. It is today's playback, 24 hours playback, yesterday playback, this week playback, last week and this month, last month, and custom options can be selected as well. So based on the date of selection, you will be able to view the playback of that object. So based on all these features, we have uh, get the information sessions into different sessions as well. That is, each features have been explained in a detail in the other session. So you can view that for the detailed information of this feature. So this is how the features of a live tracking screens are available into software. Thank you.